Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a landing page in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Landing Pages in the left-hand menu. Now click Create Landing Page. You'll see a collection of professionally designed templates. Browse the available templates and choose one that best matches your goal. Then click Use Template. Next, the drag and drop editor will now open. Start by editing the headline, text, images, buttons, and other page elements. You can also add new sections such as testimonials, countdown timers, videos, forms, or FAQs by dragging them onto the page. If you're collecting leads, make sure your sign-up form is connected to the correct contact list. Once you've finished designing your page, click Next. Configure your page settings, including the page URL, SEO title, and meta description if needed. You can also connect your custom domain or publish the page using a GetResponse subdomain. Review everything one final time, then click Publish. Open your landing page in a new browser tab to make sure everything looks and works correctly. That's it. You've successfully created a landing page in GetResponse. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.